What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2018 Kia Optima, and I got this car today in the shop. Let me show you what code I'm getting. It's a code about the intake runner valve, intake manifold runner performance. So this code means there's a problem in the intake manifold runner. All right, it could be two things. One could be the electronic motor that controls the runner valve, or it could be the vacuum solenoid. So I'm gonna show you how to test that right now. So if you have this code, the first thing you have to consider first before doing anything, I have this recall right here. Okay, so we have this recall and it says damaged engine can increase the risk of fire. So technically what this means is they're going to check the bearings for the engine, and if they found it bad, they will replace the engine, and also they will update the software of the computer and install a knock sensor. So if you have a car like this is a low mileage car. It doesn't have that many miles. So if you have a car like this, I would advise you first to take it to the dealership and check if you have the coverage, because I believe this one has the coverage. And the next one will be the technical service bulletin. So this is the code P200A, and technically means that you have this code, the runner performance. And also it says the ECM should be reprogrammed using a new updated software for it, but it basically tells you that you don't have to change the whole intake. You only have to replace the variable charge motor actuator, BCMA. So here I'm gonna show you how to, well, if you don't have a scanner like this, you can probably just change the motor. But here we have the option here, BCM motor, and also I have the other option right here, the variable intake solenoid. So for this one we have to turn on the car, and I'm gonna show you how it's working. All right, I'm gonna turn it on and I'll go to the other side. All right, so here this is the vacuum solenoid, and I'm gonna use the option from the scanner to activate it just to see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna press start, and we see there we have the vacuum motor working fine. It doesn't make too much noise, so we're gonna stop that, and then I'm going to activate the motor, which is this one. This is the main one for the intake runner valve. I'm gonna turn off the car, and I'm gonna let you listen the noise it's making. All right, so we have the motor here. I'm gonna do the activation right now. I'm gonna press start, and I don't know if you can hear that little high pitchy thing. That's not very normal. It sounds like it's getting stuck. So I would say this is gonna be the problem here. It's getting stuck. That's why we have the performance on this, and they usually advise you to replace the whole intake manifold, but it doesn't come with this. So we know that the valve is fine, the vacuum one. So I'm gonna recommend the customer just to change this one, and we'll see if they approve the job or not. Someone told the customer to replace the whole assembly, but like I said, it doesn't come with the motor. And also I found that TSB and the recall, so I think I'm gonna let the customer know about the recall so they can take it to the dealership, and hopefully they get the engine replaced and the software updated. And then if the problem continues with this, then we're gonna change that. But first I have to talk to the customers because they're the ones who approve the jobs or not. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, please comment down below, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. Alright, don't forget to comment. Bye.